So the Mag 7 is not leading the stock market at the moment, but they are the reason that we are going so much higher. And let me explain. So for the past 10 years, the Mag 7, well, more traditionally the FANG stocks, Facebook, which is now Meta, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google, they've been the darlings of the stock market. They've generated enormous amounts of returns and enormous amounts of cash over the past 10 years. Incredible companies. But lately, that's not the industry that's been driving the stock market. The industry that's been driving the stock market is the AI hardware, AI infrastructure industry. And the driver behind that is the Mag 7. Amazon, Meta, Google, they're estimated to spend about $1 trillion of capex on the AI build out in 2027, which is enormous amounts of money. And all of this cash that they generate, they spend on data centers, land, power, energy, semiconductors, computer chips, cooling, networking, photonics. There's so many niches within the broader AI hardware sector, and that is where all the money is flowing at the moment, and that's where all the returns are being made. The cash that the Mag 7 is generating at the moment, which is actually tangible and clear based on their earnings last week, they did really well. However, most, if not all of the cash that they generate is being spent on building out AI. So the market is rewarding the companies receiving all of that cash, and rightly so. These companies have enormous backlogs and demand from the hyperscalers to actually build this out, and the shareholders of those companies are currently being rewarded. We're even lately seeing a parabolic price move in HBM stocks, high bandwidth memory stocks such as Micron Technologies, SK Hynix, SanDisk, and it looks like they're going straight up. So that is exactly where the capital returned when we had a 10% correction in March. That is exactly where the capital returned in April. So if you weren't allocated to those types of companies, you might not have felt the full effect of the reversal, as we spoke about in my previous video, right? So then the question is, should